Hello from Slovenia again. I will try to do another reverse flower dip, but this time I will start with a circle, and I added pearl white in the middle, and this one was Persian rose, and this is permanent magenta. And Quinacridone blue violet. And I will add, just have to pop up these air bubbles, pearl white here next. And Windsor blue. And now I will just go around the canvas. Pearl white next. And violet, Quinacridone violet, blue, violet, blue, I think. And I'm almost out of it. I hope that I will be able to oops. Okay. And permanent magenta. I have a block. Just have to take it out. Okay. Whoops, I didn't. And Persian rose. This is the only color that is opaque. All other colors are transparent. I just hate when this is happening. These blobs of paint. If I don't use it some time, I get this blobs. And I will spray my napkin with water, only will just spray it to dump it down a little bit so that it will not pick up so much paint. So this is just my theory. I don't know if it's true, but it works for me. And this is important with acrylic pouring, that you discover what works for you, because if something works for me, it's not necessary that it will work for everybody. So it depends on mixtures, paint brands, and all kind of things. So Nera, I'm just hoping for a little nicer center. That's why I did circle in the middle, not spiral all the way. So let's try to leave this. Just try to tilt this middle part a little bit. It's not much nicer center, so or maybe it will be just pop up. It's air bubbles. My pearl whites start coming up again. So I hope it will stay. So if you see my previous one, I named it fragile, I don't know the exact word. It's similar, but this one has have less pearl white. And circle in the middle when I start layering paints. So, and I use this magenta instead of cardinal red. blue lacing on the white pearl is just beautiful. So this one is kind of fragile too. I will take you for close. I hope that you can see this beautiful blue lacing on the white. I lost completely my Persian rose, but I think this is still beautiful. Maybe I should add this pearl white in little, in some little bottles, just to don't get too much of it. But see this center here? I think it's beautiful. So this is it for today. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do. If you find this video helpful, share on social medias, comment, or just give me your thumb up, and see you on the next one. Bye.